Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to zoom in on a clip in Capcut to create a focused or dramatic effect. Let's jump right in. Start by opening your Capcut and creating a new project or continue on an existing one. Tap on the video clip in the timeline to select it, then choose edit from the bottom menu. Now to zoom in, use your finger to pinch and expand directly on the preview screen. This will enlarge the clip to focus on the area you want to zoom. You can drag the frame around to adjust which part of the clip is visible. Another step is to add keyframe for a smooth zoom. If you want the zoom to happen gradually, add a keyframe at the start of the clip by tapping the diamond icon. Move the playhead to where you want the zoom to end. Adjust the zoom level and Capcut will create a smooth zoom effect. And that's it guys, with these steps you've added a zoom effect to your video clip in Capcut. Thank you so much for watching and happy editing. See you next time. Bye bye.